Our firm, Jonathan Segal Architects, has been working with ArchiCAD since the mid-90s. Our firm is between 3 and 4 people, and we build and develop high-density urban housing in downtown San Diego. Currently, we're using ArchiCAD to model everything. So that's helping us with quantity takeoffs and all of our door window schedule. All these schedules are now error-free relative to previous times when we would have a drawing not matching some other part of the drawings and creating problems for us. So the ArchiCAD has really cleaned that up and helped us significantly, specifically on the latest project that we're working on. Well, all of our apartment buildings have a component that's affordable housing on it. So this will be 37 units, of which 3 of the units will be affordable housing, which basically means it's about a third of the cost of the typical housing for people that qualify for that. Greg and Matthew in our office do the modeling, and now with the new release, hopefully it'll be rendered in ArchiCAD, which will be fantastic, because it's really important when we build the physical models to have the differentiation between the two materials. We don't usually do that. We build white models. So the idea is that the architecture has to work in a monolithic color to work, and that the modeling would happen in the computer that would show us the real deviations or differentiations that happen with the different materials and textures. I think the most valuable part of any computer tool for me is the ability to change, and we change a lot. And the ArchiCAD, the ability to put component parts in and to be able to change them quickly is extremely important to us, especially when we're doing buildings that are repetitive design. So if we're going to quickly lay out a building, and we can take a component of it, let's call it a unit, and we can lay those on a certain pattern. That ability, there's no model in the world, physical model, that can compete with that. There's no drawing capabilities that can compete with that, and the expediency that starts to happen is pretty incredible. I've seen that evolve over my career as an architect. The ability to change, instead of we used to have these erasers that would make these little things, and then Mylar over Mylar. It's really fantastic the way that's changed and helped architecture become better. Necessarily became less expensive. You just were able to explore more because you had more opportunities.